Hello everyone, welcome back once again. So in this video we'll be discussing about one of the most beautiful question based on binary search, that is search a 2D matrix. So it is rated as medium level on LeetCode. So basically what we are given is that we are given a matrix of m cross n size, and in this we are given a target element and we need to find it. So for example, if I will talk about this matrix like 1 3 5 7 10 11 16 20 23 30 34 and 60. So if we will observe properly, then we will see that every element like here 1, so it's not copy pasting, okay, let it. So here 1 is sorted, see, horizontally as well as vertically. So every element is sorted horizontally as well as vertically. So what we can do in this is that if we will talk about a simple approach, then it can be of linear, that is as we do in a 2D matrix. Like we are having a row of size of, I can say, of length n and column of length m. So we will run a loop from 0 till less than n, and again we will run another loop for, or I can say, j 0 till j is less than m, j plus plus, and for every I comma j I will check that if target is equal to, let's say the vector or array name is array of I and j, and if it is found I will just return the answer, or here if we talk about LeetCode, it is given to return boolean, that is true or false. So I will return here, if it is found I will return here true. Okay, so if we'll talk about other approach, then we can use binary search in this. First we'll keep or pointed at I equal to 0 and j equal to the last element of the column. Like let's say I have a matrix like this: 1 2 3 4 5 1 6 7 8, let's say. So I'll keep I equal to 0, that is this is ith, that is I equal to 0 column, and j equal to, and here see, j equal to matrix size minus 1, it means it will point here. So initially I will point here, okay, and I will check if this element, that is current, if it is greater, or I can say if this element is greater than our required target, so we will move this side, else we will move this side, it is downward. This side means we will do j minus minus, or we can do here I plus plus, and the same is explained in this code. So here this we are writing here bound, or suppose our element is not found even after traversing at the worst case till here. So what we will do, we will go out of bound and we will return just false because element is not found. Else we will check if matrix of I comma j equal to target will return true. So if this loop will not return here, so it will execute the whole and we will get our answer as false. So if this element is not found, we will do this, we will check if target is less than matrix of I comma j. It means if target, that is suppose your target is 3, so if as it is less than this 5, so we will move this side. So what we will do j minus minus. It means currently we are at this column, so we will come here. Okay, or else if target is greater than matrix, so we will do I plus plus. And as it is sorted, as it is increasing downward direction, so we will see as it is increasing downward direction, so we will move downside, that we will do I plus plus. Okay, so if we talk about the times complexity, then let's say I have it is consists of rows and columns, and this have n rows, or I can say here n row and m column. So in the worst case we have to traverse this whole and we have to come here, so our element will be present here, so it will be big of n plus m, and we are not using any extra space, so space complexity will be big of 1. So it was good question, or I can say this question is asked many times in the interview, and it is little tricky question because we have to check here I should be in the bound and it should be less than matrix or size, it means the last row, and j should be greater than equal to 0, as well as j should be less than number of columns to prevent out of bound. So I hope you understood it, and if yes, please like, comment and share. Thank you.